Hello, let us today understand the reason for the recent success that balanced advantage funds have seen. The benefits of diversifying one's investment across asset classes is well established, and yet as investors we tend to favor a particular asset class either because of familiarity, our belief systems, or simply the lack of knowledge and time to shuttle between asset classes as needed. Balanced advantage funds, a category within mutual funds, has been a game changer in this perspective, as has been visible in the recent growth that this category has seen. BAFs invest both in equity and debt and swiftly move between the two in response to market conditions in a manner which benefits investors in the medium to long term. The strategy ensures that not only do investors get optimum risk adjusted returns, but their investment is protected from any significant downside, especially in highly volatile times. From just a little over 77,000 crores in FY20, the industry's assets under management for this particular category of funds has more than doubled to 1.69 lakh crores. This reflects the trust of investors, distributors and financial advisors in this category. Up and down in markets, often called as volatility, is part and parcel of markets. Unfortunately, our emotional biases of greed and fear kick in at extreme points. When times are good, we can only think good, and when times are bad, unfortunately, we only think bad. Volatility also comes unannounced. For example, it could be due to interest rate moves or pandemic like COVID or geopolitical developments like the recent developments in Russia and Ukraine show. Thus, having a plan is important to deal with volatility. Balanced advantage funds use a model to benefit from volatility rather than getting afraid of the same. Using these models, these funds move into equity and debt in an almost seamless manner, helping investors allocate across asset classes automatically. This has been conducive for growth of BAFs as a category, as it has made life easier for investors who do not have to choose whether they should invest in equities or debt. This decision has been made automatic with balanced advantage fund. Given the rapidly changing geopolitical and extremely fluid economic conditions, volatility could persist in financial markets for some more time, making balanced advantage funds an opportune avenue for investments.
An investor education and awareness initiative by Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.